Today we are going to create a set of flaps to help us classify angles. So this is what the end product is going to look like. We're going to have one row here for acute, right, and obtuse angles where we can flip up and see the description below. Okay, down below we have four. We have complementary angles, supplementary angles, vertical angles, and a linear pair. And when I flip them up, there are all the descriptions below there. So that is the goal today. In order to do that, we have two cutouts. One is that 3-flap cutout for the top one, and then the other one is the 4-flap cutout. So we're going to cut these out, and you are going to cut along this line, even though it's dotted. We're going to cut this line. We're going to cut on this dotted line, on this solid line here. We're going to cut along here. We're going to cut this solid line. So we're cutting all the solid lines, including this one right there on the 3-flap. On the 4-flap, same thing. We're going to make this a solid line, and then we're going to cut out from here all the way around to here, and then we're going to cut to here, and to here. So we're using these. So I'm going to cut this one just to show you what needs to be cut. So I'm cutting across. I'm going to cut across down here. Cut on these solid lines right here. Okay, now I've got something that looks like this. Now I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to cut on these solid lines right there. That one, and then that one. And then I will fold on the dotted line. And actually, it'll be easier to fold this way so you can see the dotted line. So fold on each of those dotted lines. And then you're going to glue this piece onto the top piece onto the side. Here's the original, onto the side right here. You're going to do the same thing with this 4-flap. You'll cut it out, and then you'll paste it right here. So this is classifying angles. On the 3-flap, you'll write acute angles, right angles in the middle, obtuse angles on the right-hand side. Then you'll write complementary angles, supplementary angles, vertical angles, and a linear pair. The notes underneath will be given in a notes document and shared with you on your Google Drive for you to copy down as well.